Hi everyone, my name is Yun-Tae. I'm from Pukyong National University Ocean Engineering Department. In the International Conference on Disaster Mitigation Technology for Smart Infrastructure 2022, I want to present my research. Now I'm following the Landslide topic. So in this conference, I will present a study whose name is Prediction of Landslide Propagation based on physical-based model. My professor is Yun-Tae. Next content. My presentation includes 5 parts. As you can see on the slide, the first introduction, next materials, next methodology, next research and discussions, and finally we will present conclusions. To start with introduction, and we can know landslides are unavoidable natural disasters, and landslide can have devastating effects in terms of property damage and human casualties. So this slide display 3 figures. And first one, and this one display the landslide impact to house, and this combined custody, and this display landslide impact to house or building. Next material. So this study I using physical model to point out landslide probability. After that, point out the landslide propagation. So this study I can see the Pukyong mountain in Busan, Korea to study. So this mountain have a DMCE, the digital elevation model. It have value from 9.5 to 425 meters. And this slope display from 0 to 60 degree curvature, and this side depth have a value from 0.1 to 2.1. To obtain side depth by using the model proposed by Frahan and Kim 2022. So this model displays the change of elevation and maximum of side depth and maximum of side depth according to field survey. Besides, for condition factor, I also consider property of soil. Today I can see the cohesion, friction angle, unit weight, hydraulic conductivity. Next, about methodologies. So this study I want to point out runout propagation combined landslide source according to rainfall scenario. So first of all, I have to obtain rainfall. So I using the relationship between rainfall intensity and duration. It is this proposed by Lee and Kim 2019. From this relationship, I can point out the rainfall intensity according to 24 hours with 3 level. Next one. After obtain this one, I can determine depth of saturation, and along with side depth, slope property, I using infinite slope to point out the landslide source with condition vector E less than 1. After that, point out the run out propagation based on the floor or software. So to point out the depth of saturation using this model, it is proposed by Leader 1984. And about vector safety, I consider by the equation. Next, research and discussion. So after using this process, I can obtain landslide property, and before obtain landslide property, I can get vector safety after that static and point out landslide probability according to three reinforced scenario: 5%, 20%, and 50%. So this is the landslide, this is the rainfall data used in this study. So as you can see, the real area display the high landslide probability, and it increase according to rainfall scenario. So this indicates the landslide highly impact to rainfall. And the low collapse is decrease according to rainfall scenario. This is the suitable. Next result, after obtain the landslide probability, I can get return period according to three scenario. And you can see the landslide have a value from 1 to 1.2. Because of that, it have a return period from 1 to 5 years. So because three scenario, landslide primarily occur from 1 to 5 years. Because of that, I can see the zigzag and landslide source to simulate landslide propagation, and this is the landslide source according to return period from 1 to 5 years. Next, after obtain landslide source, using flow to simulate landslide propagation, and to point out landslide propagation using flow to simulate, and in the flow software, velocity and travel angle is very two parameter is very important. So to obtain two value, I consider from prior study, and I choose 22 meters over second, and travel angle is 16 degree to simulate runout zone. Next, conclusions. So this study I present a method to predict landslide propagation according to rainfall scenario, and we presented a framework to predict landslide propagation according to rainfall scenarios. This approach combines physical model and rainfall thresholds to find out landslide probability, and using flow program to simulate landslide propagation. Landslide propagation were proposed using rainfall thresholds and physical-based model. And finally, the study presented landslide propagation according to three rainfall scenario of 5, 20, and 50% in Hwamyeong Mountain in Republic of Korea. So this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. So if anyone have a question, please send it to my email. This is my email. Thank you so much.